Hey tech wizards, Waving Hand ever dreamed of a calculator that learns from you, predicts your next move, and even understands your scribbles? Brain sparkles in this video. We're ditching boring buttons to build a smart AI-powered calculator using machine learning and PictoBlox. Watch it solve equations before you finish typing, recognize your voice commands like 5 plus 3, and read handwritten digits through your webcam. No magic wand needed, just free tools like PictoBlox's ML environment and speech recognition. Laptop computer fire from training AI models to adding glitchy, thinking effects. We'll turn math into a futuristic adventure. Ready to upgrade your calculator game? Smash that like button, and let's make HAL 9000 proud. Rocket input numbers.